Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this phone. Now I'll be using just a tempered glass for a different phone, as you can probably see based on that label, but if you just kind of look at it, it's close enough, and the way you apply the tempered glass is, well, roughly going to be the same for every phone, no matter what glass you apply. So you can see that this one basically fits almost perfectly. Now, to get started with the tempered glass, you should get, oh, there we go, one of these things, a wet and dry wipe. Now, truth be told, I don't like to use these. They're usually, the wet wipes are dry and they also smudge up. Now this one is actually wet, but second part is they smudge up the display, and also the wet and the dry wipes are just like, what is this tiny little wipe? What am I supposed to do with this? So I prefer to throw them out and just use a microfiber cloth, which works basically as well and doesn't need to be wet. So to get started, you will want to clean off the display, make sure that there is no dirt on it. So clean off the majority, like smudges, grime, dust, then keep the microfiber cloth ready, because there is still a chance that some dust will settle on your display, and if that happens, it might create a air bubble under the display. Now, moving on to the display, I'll quickly go over how I apply tempered glass myself. So the way I do it is, if it has a cutout like this one, I would basically apply just the edge first. So I'll place it at an angle so it's lifted up, and just make sure that the camera is basically where it's supposed to be in the cutout, right? And then I'll also make sure that both top sides, so from left and right side, are evenly spaced. So as an example, so it's not like at an angle like this. So just kind of try to make sure that it's evenly spaced, and then while pinching the display from either side, I would apply a little bit of a force just so it doesn't slide around, and then place it down in place like so, and this will ensure that it's basically in a perfect position. So that is how I apply glass. Now obviously this probably isn't the only way you can apply it, and you might have a different way that works for you. That's completely fine. This is what works for me and what I'll be utilizing, the method. So anyway, now that it's clean, grab the tempered glass, peel off protective layer, give a last gentle pass so there is no dust on the screen, and apply it like I mentioned before. I think it actually might be, yep. I need to push it a little bit higher. As you can see, it did stop on the bumper or on the case. And there we go. So there we go. It's already fully applied. Now I did this kind of motion just to press it down so it applies quicker. If you don't do it, it will just kind of slowly spread and glue itself to the screen. But as you can see, there is no air bubbles whatsoever. The only thing you can see is just some smudges on the actual tempered glass. So you can clean that off. And there we go. So that is how you can apply a tempered glass for this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.